Today we're going to be replacing the screen for the Uconnect. So what I did so far, I removed this cover out of here, this cover out of here, this one goes right here, and this small one goes right here. So you're gonna have those screws right here, one screw inside here, and there's another one right here, and two number 2 Phillips screws right here. So this one on the top is our Torx Phillips. This one looks like a Torx, and this one looks like a number 7 for a number 7 socket. So before I'll do all this, the first thing I did, I disconnect the battery, because I know this radio, every time I open the door the screen goes on, so I know there's power always on it, so I don't want to short it. I already got all these screws removed, just one, the top two, and the one right here. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull this pan out of here. So just grab it right here, and here. Probably open this pan right here, and since it has a cable underneath here, this cable has to be removed. This is for the car lighter, so be careful before pull the whole thing out. Yeah, that's the cable I just pulled. Just, it has a clip right here. Just press it and pull it out, and you just pull this panel out. It's just holding by those clips right here, and that will be it for this panel. So now we're gonna pull this panel. So I already got all the screws out, I think. So we're gonna grab right here. Be careful. And before pull it all the way out, before pull this panel out all the way, don't forget to disconnect all these plugs right here, so that way you don't break any wire. So pay attention to this plug. This plug is different. This one that goes right here, it has this tab right here. So before you pull it out, you have to bring this tab up this way, and then pull the plug up. Yeah, this tab, that's the one I'm talking about. Yeah, this tab you have to flip it up, flip it all the way up, bring it up. Yeah, because this is what holds the plug inside here. So now we're gonna remove those 4 bolts with number 7 socket here. Yeah. Now we pull this, and it has a lot of plugs behind here. They are all different colors, so pull all them out, and then the screen will be out. All of them has a clip. You press the clip and pull them out, except this one you just lift this tab here, and when you lift this tab, the plug will go up. You see? So now this top side faces the radio. You see? So what I'm gonna do is remove those 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I was thinking to leave them on in case there's something inside there I want to get misaligned. So I'm gonna flip it out. Probably take this one out. Just hold those 4 here, just in case. And go this way. So what I'm gonna do now is gonna be removing those tabs. Got many tabs around. You can see one here, here, and there. I'm gonna lift them up a little just to get the screen off. Now we got the tabs off, so we lift this part up. If you can see here, I can see there's a wire here, so be very careful with it. So let me put something underneath it. Let's see what we got underneath here. As you can see, the screen was getting delaminated right here. That's what happened when you park the car in the sun without no shades, especially those trucks. So what we got here, we got two cables. So you leave this plastic right here. Leave this other one right here. This one. Now you got the screen off. So I already got the new one in. So what I'm gonna do is gonna swap this wire, which next time instead of remove from here, I'll be removing it from here, because I realized the new one don't has that wire. So what I'm gonna do, if you see that white line in here, that's how it's supposed to be in the new one. So we lift this tab out, and we're gonna swap it. You see it says display, it goes to the display side. And here it says video PCB. So the video PCB is this one. So this, the wire has where it's supposed to go. Be aware of that. So we'll put it right here. It's on. Now we bring this down. See, if you see a white line right there, aligned with the plug, with the plastic tab, is where it's supposed to go. So the good thing of doing this way is this board. You see, I didn't took. Some people like to take all this out, this wire out, everything out. I don't. The reason is because then to put this back, you see how it aligns with all the screws and everything. So now we're gonna put the new display back. So we hold it very carefully. And now if you've seen, I already got this up, this down here. You see, you don't see the white line in the cable. The cable says video side, display side. Everything looks good. So now we're gonna flip it down. We have it on. See, everything is aligned in all the corners. So I'm gonna pull this plastic out. And now we're gonna set this back here. Push this in here, the stop. You're gonna bend them a little. Check the ones in the back. Put this back carefully. There you go. Now it's back. So now we're gonna flip it. I'm gonna use the same piece of foam where the screen came on. I use it, so I want to scratch the screen. So, and then pull this. Go by hand first. I want to be sure they're all set first before I put torque on there. This one right here. Set, and set. So now we're gonna tighten. I set up my screw ground to the minimum because those screws get threaded in the screen, so you don't want to break it. So this is all the way to the minimum torque. It's a very This thing, all those screws go to the screen. If you put too much torque on it, there's a possibility you can break the screen. So that's the reason I put the minimum torque on them. So now we're gonna put it back the same way we got it out. So we're gonna put this plug first, push it in, and then push this clip in. Now we're gonna get the gray one. Those ones, I think they're better if they go this way through here, probably. Let's see. Okay, so the pink goes right here. The white goes right here. This one goes right here. Right here. Now we're gonna put it back. See, this tab goes here, this other tab goes here, and this tab goes right here. So now we're gonna put the screws out. Screws in, the screws in. Set them up. I reuse the plastic that I removed when I put the screen holder, so that way I can not stain it with my fingers. Make it look neat and clean. Now I'm gonna put the battery back, connect the negative cable back again, and test it to see if it works. So now we have everything on connected. We're going to test it. I already got the battery on, and let's see what happened. Here we go. That is success. We got music. Let's see the GPS map is working right. Media, climate control, it's all selecting perfectly. Not connected with your pair, no. Okay. Now we're gonna put this back. Let's go here. I have to get a flashlight because I don't see. So this one goes right here. Got one. And this wires up. This one goes right here. This one goes right here. Okay, this plug goes right here. This one goes right here. This one goes the green here. That's the one with the tap. You put on, and then put this tap, the red tap, down in the back. And this one goes down here. So I got plug, plug, plug. Got this one in, and this one in here. And I don't see any other plug out down here. So we're gonna check everything before putting it on. One plugs out. Everything looks perfect. Yep. Now we're going very carefully. put this one on, the bottom one. This lid needs to be open, so we're gonna place this one right here. And before put it on, once it's set there, lift it from one side, and don't forget to connect the car lighter back. This in, the car lighter's back. Now bring this down. So now we push down. Now I'm gonna set up the two Phillips screws that goes here. The number 7 bolt that goes here, the number 7mm. The two torque screws that goes over here. And the one that goes right here. Now we put the covers back. We have one cover here, small cover that goes right here, the one that goes right here, and the one that goes right here. And that will be it. So if you like this video, please click the like button. Please hit for notifications and share this video. It can be useful for everybody. So yeah, it's easy to just replace the screen instead of be spending $1,500, $1,700 that it would cost when you send it to the dealer. Thanks very much and have a great day, everybody.